This is James with WSTrades.com. I want to provide an update here on ticker TLRY or Tilray Brands. So it's been a little while since I made a video. I actually recorded a video right before they came out with the news that they acquired all the different brands of beer from Budweiser. So I think they were trading in the mid twos when I made that video. And then the news story came out, and let's zoom into the daily time frame here. You can see this massive explosion from about 238 or so all the way up to about 307, 308. It looks like it got here. And so I had a lot of people bashing me on the channel saying, oh, you don't like Tilray, you say their financials are crap and blah, blah, blah. And oh, look what they just did. And yeah, they had a big pump. And what happened right after that? They gave it all back and they bled back down to the low twos. You can see they hit as low as 222 here. So again, I identified this as a good short candidate, and when they pumped like that, that's when I took my short position. And it was a smart thing to do, because when I saw that massive move, I want to say it was like 30 or 40% in a day or something insane like that, I just knew that it didn't make sense. I mean, it was just a total pump off of a news story. We'll kind of see, with them acquiring those brands of beer from Budweiser, we'll actually see what that does to the balance sheets, because when you look at the daily time frame here, they just bleed money, losing 8 cents a share, 6 cents a share, 4 cents a share. Look at this, all the way up to 15 cents a share. So yeah, not impressed with their financials, not impressed with their earnings. And if they go on another little pump on a news story like this again, you better bet you I'm going to be taking another short position and selling another call, because I'm definitely not going to be buying shares of this company. We looked at their financials in that last update that I made, and they're just really shaky. It's like they have operating cash flow one quarter and free cash flow one quarter, and then they lose a bunch of money and they have negative operating cash flow and negative free cash flow another quarter. They're just super shaky. And me, I just don't, buy shares of penny stocks. They're just too risky. The financials of these companies are just, not good. And I make a ton of money shorting these things. So, people bash me on the channel and they think don't know what I'm doing, or I'm losing money. And this is a perfect example. A little news story comes out about, some acquisition that they made, and there's some insane pump that makes no sense. It's way too hard of a pump. That's where I take my short position, and that's where I make my money. So, if they do bounce, they have had this big move here from about 308, 309 all the way down to 222. If they try to tick up again here and make a little bounce, you bet you I'll be shorting them again, and then I'll be watching them dump again, because that's what Tilray does. They bleed money, they lose money, and the shareholders just get diluted and they take on more debt. And, it's going to continue to happen. If they continue to have these crappy earnings reports, just expect, you as a shareholder, if you're holding long-term Tilray, expect to lose money, because they just keep bleeding cash, bleeding cash, bleeding cash. That's just what they do. So I'll continue to keep you updated here on ticker TLRY or Tilray Brands. Please like this video. Please also subscribe to the channel if you're not subscribed. Hit that notification bell. Appreciate you for taking the time to watch this. Talk to you soon.